screwdrivers, Mechanicals. This door is really stuck. Was that you, Tilly? Look, it's Trevor the tractor. Oh, sounds like you could use our help. Follow me. Nuts and bolts. I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mex, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. Strong muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. Ah, there. That's better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Good job, team! See you again soon, Trevor! Bye! Hello, everyone! We've just dug this big hole so I can repair a leaky water pipe. Come on, Mechanicals. Let's get you cleaned up. It's nearly bedtime. Thanks for your great work, Eric. All clean, Mechanicals. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There aren't any scorpions here. Ah! Huh? Ah! Spinning screwdrivers! It's a giant scorpion! Wait! I know what's going on here. Come on, you lot. Things aren't always what they seem. Oh. First, let's get all this mud off you. See, Mechanicals? It's not a giant scorpion. It's our friend Eric. Oh. Now let's get your digger arm repaired. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on, Mechanicals, there's no time to lose. Let's undo these great big screws. The hydraulic pistons make Eric so strong. Let's put these new ones where they belong. You're all fixed and ready to roll. Just don't fall back into that big hole. Great work, Mechanicals. We made Eric strong and powerful again. Bye, everyone. There you go, Red. Good as new. It seems like only yesterday that I built you all. But don't worry, I keep your plans safely in here, so I'll always know how to fix you.
If I could get my hands on those plans, I could make my own mechanical. Then my garage really would be the best. Wake up, Sly. I have a cunning plan.
Sly? What are you doing here? Where's Mr. Weasel? You've got a problem with your exhaust? Well, if Mr. Weasel isn't around, of course I'll take a look.
I'm going to get those plans. I'm going to get those plans. Ha-ha!
Could you pass me some pliers, please?
Give it up, trash can. The plans are mine now.
Phew! Got it! You're all fixed, Sly. Phew. Hey, Red! Do you need another repair already? Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Could you pass me a spanner, please, Blue? That's not a spanner, Blue. It's a wooden spoon. Sounds like baby truck. I wonder what all the excitement's about.
Presenting Wilbur T. Weasel's new electromagnet. Oh! How do I turn it off? Oh!
Mr. Weasel's got magnet trouble.
Everything's fine, Gecko. If you could just switch off the power by turning that bolt.
Blue, stop! A magnet attracts anything made of metal. Oh no, mechanicals! Oh, I know, Mama Recycle. I need to turn the power down, but I can't use a metal tool. Of course, the wooden spoon. Huh? It's okay, friends. I'll free you soon. With a tool I made from a wooden spoon.
That's not going to work.
Is everyone okay? Oh, great. We'll see you all soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help. Lots of vehicles in need. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. Our friends all have flat tyres. Oh dear. Sounds like the vehicles are tired of waiting. Oh, nuts and bolts! I've never had to fit so many tyres this fast. Speaking of fast tyres, that sounds like Grandma!
There's my little Gecky, with a very big job to do.
How did you know?
The dear little blue one let me know. It's okay to ask for help sometimes.
Thank you both.
Happy to help, just as you've always helped me and everyone else. Now then, kids, let's get organised.
Go, go, Grandma! Right, mechanicals, I have an idea.
You've been practising, Gecky.
I learned from the best.
Come again soon, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. I'd never tire of working with you.
And you never tire of your jokes either. Now, who's hungry?
You deserve a rest, Grandma.
But I brought your favourite, Grandma's apple pie.
Oh,
I love what you've done with the garage, my little Gecky. It looked very different in my day.
oh, thanks, Grandma.
Enjoying the scrub up, eh, Miles? He looks squeaky clean, little ones.
Mr. Weasel, he's in trouble. Grandma, wait. Thanks, Red.
Stand back, kids. Grandma's rolling out.
Mr. Weasel, what seems to be the trouble?
The accelerator is stuck! I can't slow down! Help!
Grandma, the sunroof!
You've got this, kiddo.
Oh!
Gecko, make it stop!
Oh, sorry! Oh, the accelerator's stuck down with bubble gum! Ew!
one.
Nonsense! I had it all under control.
Oh!
I couldn't have done it without you, Grandma.
No problem, kiddo. Quick thinking there. I am proud of you.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. Hello, everyone. We're going to the beach today. Remember, mechanicals, only take what we need. Huh?
Oh!
Garage doors open wide. It's time to go to the seaside. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Green can't wait for an ice cream. Oh no! Vicky's broken down. Let's take a look. I see the problem. Let's tow you to the beach and I'll fix you there. Are you all right, Tilly? If you need to take a break, that's okay. Spinning screwdrivers! Now we're stuck. We'll get you home, Tilly, but first we have to help Vicky. No wonder you're feeling tired. A brand new spark plug is what's required. You'd best get going, Vicky. We'll just have to go to the beach another day. We need to fix Tilly. Hi, Trevor. Would you be able to help us, please? I have an idea. Thanks, Trevor. Good as new. Our dear friend Tilly, we love you the best. Now what you need is a well-earned rest. But first, go outside. You all deserve a special treat. Ta-da! If we can't go to the beach with our friends can bring the beach to us. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We've replaced Trevor's old wheels with a new set. His back tyres are huge with deep tread to help grip in the mud. And as a thank you, Trevor's made us a corn maze to play in. Hop it, Frog. I'm going first. Good luck, Mr. Weasel. Don't get lost. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Let's find our way through the maze. No way through. This maze is too hard, and now it's raining. Oh, yuck. Oops, not this way, Mex. Let's turn another way. This maze is broken. We have to beat Gecko. Let's trim this trip. Mazes are so easy. Out of the way, you tinkering toad! Oh no! The rain has made it muddy, and Sly is stuck. Flipping screwdrivers, so is Tilly. I'll be stuck in this miserable, muddy maze forever. Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. There's always hope. I have an idea. Come in, Cat.
Hola, Gecko.
We're stuck in the crop maze and need Trevor's old wheels to help Tilly grip in the mud.
No problema, Gecko. I can use Helena's grabbing arm to help.
Did somebody order 2 wheels and an axle?
Thanks, Cat. Now it's up to us. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. We'll replace Tilly's wheels with Trevor's old set, so she can grip on ground that's muddy and wet. A longer axle is what Tilly requires for 2 big wheels with giant tyres. With her new wheels, we could easily factor that Tilly the tow truck is now Tilly the tractor!
Wait for me!
It's working! Now let me guide you out of here. Now turn left. Almost there. Now right.
We made it! Ah, well done, everyone.
But I'll be the winner! Mummy.
Teamwork's the winner today. Goodbye, everyone. Whoa! A pothole! I'll get Dylan the dump truck and Eric the excavator to fill it in. Oh dear! Bobby the bus looks like he's in trouble. Nuts and bolts! He's had a crash! Let's pull him out, Tilly. Oh, don't worry, Bobby. We'll get you fixed up and back on the road. Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Now to find out what's wrong, Bobby. First, we'll check your eyes. Go, go, mechanicals! So there's nothing wrong with your eyes then. Let's check your wheels. No problems with your wheels either. Aha! I found the problem. You've got a bent axle. No worries. We'll soon straighten your axle. No more zigzagging for you. Your axle is as good as new. I'm glad we could set Bobby straight. It feels so good to help a friend. There you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Oh, Baby Truck, you've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay, I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh no! Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need.
Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road! Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, baby truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, baby truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. It looks like our friend Helena needs some repairs.
See, Gecko, Helena's grabbing arm is stuck.
It really is. Let me take a look.
Shh, mechanicals. Today is Gecko's birthday, so let's make the best surprise party ever. That means keeping a secret, okay?
Could I get a wrench, please? Mechanicals? Mechanicals! Ah, thank you, Red.
Looks like our bouncy castle could use a little more air. Yellow, could you please hold on to these balloons for a moment? Blue, please check for Grandma Gecko. She'll be here any moment. Yellow? Yellow! Oh no!
Red, I know what's going on now. I figured out how to improve Helena's grabbing arm. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. To get your parts moving smooth and quick, we'll use some oil to make them slick. Now what if we added something new? A few more jobs your grabbing arm can do. Not all problems are grab or tow. You'll need different tools as you go. With your new grabbing arm in place, there's no problem you can't face.
Gecko! Yellow is holding too many balloons and she's floated up to the sky. Vámonos!
We're coming, Yellow!
Those balloons make it very difficult to get close, Gecko.
Time to test my improvements to Helena's grabbing arm. Let's try and push Yellow back towards the garage. To lower Yellow down nice and slow, we'll pop one balloon at a time. Hang on, Yellow! You're almost down! Yellow! Phew! Yellow's okay! Huh? Nuts and bolts. What's going on, Cat?
Surprise! It's for your birthday. We're here to celebrate how much you mean to all of us. Feliz cumpleaños, Gecko.
Thank you so much, everyone. Let's party! Hello, everyone. We're off to visit Cat. She asked me to bring some special things belonging to my grandpa. And here we are. Wow-wee! Oh, Cat. Are you here? We saw your lovely display and... Huh? Oh,
los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos? What's that?
It means Day of the Dead. My family celebrates this holiday to remember our loved ones who have passed on. Mi ama, my mother, was an ace pilot. This was her compass. Do you have anything for me, Grandpa?
My grandpa was an inventor. Before he died, he made the famous Gecko Specs, a nifty gadget to help you see better in all kinds of situations. I know that horn! That's Bobby the bus! Sounds like he's in trouble! Oh, it's no good! It's too dark to see!
Gecko, ven acá! Helena's spotlight can find Bobby in the dark.
Good idea, Cat!
Still too dark. I can't see Bobby.
What would Grandpa do? Huh? We don't need extra light. These Gecko Specs work best at night. There! I see Bobby! Let's go in for a landing. I'll radio Tilly. Glad we heard you, Bobby. Looks like your battery's gone flat.
We can charge him at my base.
Perfect, Cat. And with a little towing, we can get Bobby going. A flat battery isn't much trouble, but needs recharging on the double. There you go. Your battery will be full by morning.
You did a fantastic job finding Bobby in the dark, Gecko.
It's thanks to you, Grandpa. Your Gecko Specs saved the day.
Even if you can't see him, your grandpa is still with you, Gecko.
Yes, I'm glad he is.
Hello, everyone. Mama Recycle is on her way to collect our recycling. Here she comes now, right on time.
Oh, and Baby Chuck's here too. Oh, what's wrong, Mama?
Spinning screwdrivers. Your suspension needs repairing.
You'll need to rest while we fix you. Oh, are you worried because there's more recycling to collect? Oh, Baby wants to help. Ah, thank you, recycling team. Well done. Never mind. The important thing is you tried to help. And if at first you don't succeed, try again. Red and yellow can fix Mama's suspension, while blue, green and I help Baby become a recycling truck. Just like her Mama. What tools do we need? Wrench, spray paint. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. These boxes will help us recycle right. So let's glue them down, nice and tight. A grabbing arm is what you'll need to pick up recycling with safety and speed. A fresh coat of paint and labels stuck. Baby's now a recycling truck! You just relax, Mama Recycle. Red, blue and yellow will look after you. Let's put our fix to the test. Go, go, Baby Recycling Truck! That's it, Baby Truck. Now which box does the metal can go in? That's right! Now to collect the rest of the recycling. Success! All done. Now back to the garage.
everyone. We helped to save the planet, and Mama had a well-earned rest. Goodbye, everyone.
Good job, baby truck. We're almost done with your driving test. You just need to reverse up this ramp. Don't worry. Slow. Easy now. Nicely done! You passed your first driving test, baby truck.
You call that a driving test? Now this is a driving test. Eh, Sly?
What exactly are you testing for?
How much better we are than you. This is too easy for me. Sly, you oversized toaster.
Help! Baby truck, we have to rescue them. Take your time. You can do this.
Great touching, baby truck.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. I'll have you down in no time.
Just like you reversed in the test, baby truck. Nice and steady. There we go. Safe and sound, Sly.
Well, looks like I finished that driving test quite nicely.
Baby truck, you're like no other. You passed the driving test with flying colours.
Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Hey! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's Carry the Bus's service today. Can you handle that, mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh? Looks like the mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Today we're holding a fix-up fair at the garage. And Grandma's here with her famous apple pie. Hello, Mr. Weasel. Can we fix anything for Sly?
Fix? Ha! I don't need help. Sly can make far tastier ice cream than Vicky. Watch!
Oh.
Oh, delicious.
Oh, ignore him, Gecky. Showing off gets you nowhere. We have work to do. Come on, let's change Vicky's wheels.
Ah! You lot are stuck in the past. Wheels? Welcome to the future. Caterpillar tracks. Marvel at my genius. Wobbling whiskers, what's happening?
Oh, dear! That gadget's gone wrong!
Oh, confounded machine! Must I do everything myself? Help!
Come on, Grandma. Let's stop that car. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time.
That's it, Gecky. Climb on top. And use this wrench to make it stop.
These crawler tracks roll round and round. We'll take them off and slow slide down. Blue, we'll need a car jack, please. It's the perfect tool for jobs like these. These gadgets put on quite a show. With wheels back on, you're good to go.
See, dear? There's no point in all these flashy gizmos and whatchamacallits if you can't get the basics right.
I had it under control. My gadgets are just a bit sensitive.
Like I said, showing off gets you nowhere.
That's right, Grandma. Bye, everyone.